These are the Dust-Right Power Tool FlexiPort hose kits with Click-Connect ports. It features the same 4 flexible tool port sizes and shapes as the previous kit with a few awesome improvements. First, there's the new blue flexible hose that's 20% lighter, making it easier to handle, and a durable, abrasion-resistant 12-foot fixed-length hose. Second, we've beefed up the flexible ports a bit to make them more secure. These ports are intended to be snug so they won't fall off. We also added secondary clamps to the larger ports that help secure them when they aren't as tight as you'd like. But the biggest improvement is the addition of our new ClickConnect system. The new hoses both come equipped with this new fitting. And instead of having to switch the ports on your hose, the ports stay on the tools. And you simply connect and disconnect the ClickConnect hose fitting to your tool ports. Both hose kits make it fast and easy to connect these hoses to your tools. The ClickConnect hose adapter also features a vent collar for adjusting the amount of suction. This is a great feature for tools like orbital sanders that don't work as well when too much suction is exerted. So again, the important thing with the new kit is the port stays on the tool and the hose moves from tool to tool. And if you need more ports for additional tools, you can purchase them individually in any of the 4 sizes. If you already have the original blue 12-inch fixed length hose, the new ClickConnect ports and adapter can be attached to that hose and are sold separately. And if you already have the original black 3 to 12-inch flexible hose kit, you can upgrade it to the ClickConnect ports with this upgrade kit. Here's how it works. First, remove whichever old port is currently connected to your expanding FlexiPort hose. Next, thread on the new ClickConnect adapter to the end of your hose. A separate adapter is used to upgrade the fixed length hose, but both adapters are compatible with the ClickConnect flexible ports. Now, instead of having to constantly switch ports and keep track of the ports you're not using, the ports stay on the tool. There you have it, the FlexiPort expandable and fixed length hose kits with ClickConnect fittings.